When you and your best friend share the same brain cell frequency. No clue what's going on, but joining in is pure instinct. Dominating every sport alone, this player is on another level. Mozart music, but a thug attitude. An attitude shift that would put Oscar-winning actors to shame.
Dance.
There you go. There you go. Don't bite me, please.
When you accidentally brag to the squad that you've got a plug for great food. OMG filming a romantic movie, the feathered edition.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I mean, 1 minute late is drama. 2 minutes late is a disaster. This is no longer screaming. It's a clueless cultural exchange. Screaming like it's the end of the world. What a drama king. Oh my God, I always thought they used their mouths.
Fight!
Well, a dramatic remix between music and pure destruction. Oh, a diva soul trapped in a feathery body.
I'm so hungry. I'm very, very hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm very, very hungry. I want something I can munch or something I can crunch. I haven't had my...
No. No. No.
L. OL lightning attack, then laughing like crazy. Pure evil genius.
No.
When the stomach growls and the beak starts a riot.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
LMA, oh bro, probably experiencing Uncanny Valley. The birds like work can wait, be friends with me instead. Grandma leads parrot backups. What a perfect duo.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Definition of good siblings. Sharing food. The mandatory way.
No, no, it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Well, this bird doesn't sing, it only talks back.
Il me suffisait de prendre sa valise, de la mettre dans une voiture.
The parrot's like, there's going to be some changes around here. See. The biggest risk, everything in the house is its toy.
What have you done?
A throne on the danger side.
Automática.
Don't call it stealing, call it a collective self-service. When you miss your flight, so you take the train to start a live show.
That's his, and you know that. No, hey. Come here, you're not allowed in there. Hey, come on, students. Come.
Can't see the bird, just feeling a slight pain on the face. This isn't theft, it's daylight robbery. Well, this burrito looks a bit spicy and knows how to scream. Other parrots learn to talk. This one learns to club.
Por favor. Gracias.
Say ah. Say
O
ah.
thought I was watching Parrots Got Talent.
Ah. You sweet talking me.
Looks like this parrot is giving the vet a piece of his mind.
You're hysterical.
Sure. Could you please repeat that for me?
Well, dog's like, I'm not happy and I know it. Look at that helpless face. He's probably regretting the wedding day.
Beep, 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 beep.
When you drink too much coffee and listen to EDM. She was about to wreck the clinic until she met a vet with such a gentle touch.
This is being dramatic.
The best way to test your eardrum's durability is to own a parrot. When you're born a parrot, but your soul is a fire alarm, better to lose your stuff than your hearing. Give it to him now. The peak of acoustic terrorism is a cranky parrot.